watching Coast Life, and you know our friends at Paul Davis Restoration take care of all kinds of stuff, from true restorations, fixing up the damage, to new kitchens and remodels. But think about your floor. When was the last time you've really considered getting your floor redone?
Leah, I need a new floor so bad.
Me too. It's always on my mind. So here to tell us more is Brian Rush with Paul Davis Restoration. Tell us a little bit about flooring. Is it hot right now? What kind of floors are you guys handling? Because there's a lot to choose from. It's intimidating.
Yeah, there's actually a lot of selections out there, but at Paul Davis, when we do a restoration, floors are typically one of the main staples of what we do. So what we decided to do was bring some into inventory. So we bought pallets upon pallets upon pallets to have an inventory so we can have quick turnaround for our customers.
Yes, which that's a huge deal for a lot of customers, because when you start thinking of a restoration project, or you're getting your floors redone, and you're like, gosh, what does this timeline look like? Yours is a pretty quick turnaround time, like you said.
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the things that we want to give to our customers is exceptional service. So in order to do that, we had to have things in stock. So I brought with us some LVP flooring. This is luxury vinyl plank. This is 22 millimeters thick, so it's going to give you a long life. It's a 30-year residential warranty that we're able to go ahead and install in days.
Wow. So that's not wood?
No, it's not wood. It looks like it. It looks like it, but this product has come a long, long ways, and a lot of people that had the traditional hardwood or vinyl or linoleum are now converting to this product. So
we're thinking about it. Yeah.
Well, call us out and we'll get out there in days and give you an exact price down to the penny. So we're able to turn it quick, and the biggest thing is not disturbing the customer. So if you think about all things that are important to you, time away from work, kids, your whole schedule, is how can we not disrupt your schedule? And that is getting in there quick, getting it done fast, and giving you a good service at the end.
Wow, that's incredible. Because like Leah said, you think home remodel, you think I need to take off work, I need to clean up my house.
Yeah,
it's gonna interrupt a lot. But you were saying maybe days someone could get out there?
Absolutely. So we have about 5 flooring crews on staff that we're going out and we're doing insurance jobs, and then we're also, anybody who calls in, we're going ahead and we're taking samples out to their home and we're giving them an exact price and installing it in days.
That's incredible. Oh, wow. And you're still doing other things besides floors, though?
Yes, including kitchen remodels. Yes. Last time we saw each other, we were giving away a whole kitchen.
Yeah, so that project has been ordered, and we'll have those results a little bit later, but we are doing a lot of kitchens, and a lot of decks are still, the phones are ringing off the hook for those things. So that's going to be a main staple of our business that we look to do for years and years down the road.
Wow. I'm curious, too, because I know we talked just at the beginning about all the different types of flooring, because I had no idea there were so many types of flooring. How do you keep up with it all and keep up to date for your customers with, what's in style and what's good quality?
Yeah, it fluctuates. Grays are still in. I don't know when they'll go out. When it comes to some fixtures, there's some rose gold is making it a presence again. So everything's changing. So it's really the customers are kind of a sounding board for what they want, and then what we stock. So what we looked at the SKUs from our manufacturer reps and said, hey, what's popular around the United States? What's popular on the coast? And then we go ahead and we brought some of those products in, put them on the shelf, and give everybody what they want fast.
Yeah, exactly. Keyword.
Yes. And let's talk about your service area too. Like where do you go? What's your reach?
Okay, so our reach is bridge to bridge. So we're going to go to the Bay Bridge to the tunnel, and then inland, or we go to the coast. But we also have other franchises that service other areas. So if this is a second home and you're down here, but you live across the bridge, and we'll make a phone call and put you in contact with them, and they can take care of you.
Nice. Perfect. That's great to know. Like you said, a lot of people have those homes, so you can remodel your vacation home and your home. So you can't lose.
Absolutely.
Great. Good to hear.
Awesome. So where can customers get in touch with you if they have a project that they need done?
Yeah, you can call us at 410-219-9160 or go to our website at pdrdelmarva.com.
Easy enough. Right. I'm going to be looking up pictures of floors after this.
Yep.
And remodels, get some inspiration. Brian, thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you for having me and the PDR family.
Definitely,
yes, of course, anytime. But don't go anywhere, because we got more Coast Life coming your way, and you're not going to want to miss it.
This segment of Coast Life was brought to you by Paul Davis Restoration.